Mr. Speaker, sir, I have a point of order. My question number 14, which may come up, may not come up, 14A, if you look at it, the status of medium of instruction and policy. Now, is the policy going to be decided by the Public Accounts Committee? Has the matter been raised by the Accountant General? Question, no, the rules.
What is the answer?
2002. The answer says, the status of, my question is, the status of medium of instruction policy and the action taken by the government on the policy of the medium of instruction. The answer is, sir, after cabinet decision taken on whatever the date, LX3 and all that, cabinet meeting of the Council of Ministers held on 2/7/2014, the Goa School Education Amendment Bill 2014, Bill number 24 of 2014, was placed before the Goa Legislative Assembly. The same has been referred to Public Accounts Committee for examination. The action taken is a cabinet decision held on 2/7/2014, communicated to all the heads of institutions.
No, this cannot be.
This is, I am the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee. Do I decide about the government? Well, I am ready.
Okay. How?
It is very difficult. I do not know. Honorable Chief Minister is busy. So his officers should be pulled up. This is not the way to take the assembly for granted.
You ask questions to the Honorable Chief Minister, then he is supposed to get information from other department, but his department, and they have to give reply. Now here many questions which I have asked, reply given to me as far as personal department is concerned. Now whom do I put the question? As the minister in charge of personal department, I have to ask him only the question.
I have also noted this. Listen, I have also noted this. The principal secretary or chief secretary has to make amendments to this. They cannot run away by just saying that this doesn't, this is only as far as personal department. I have read those answers also. They have to give the information of the government and not of that particular department. If it is specifically asked of the particular department, then they can stick to it. But when the question is particularly asked as government, then you have to answer from the government sources.
Speaker, sir, when the question is pertaining to personal department, the government will give reply pertaining to it.
No, it was...
Just a minute, let me complete.
No,
It is to the government.
just a minute. Tell me.
If it is in respect of other departments, I feel it is advisable that the concerned honorable MLA get the information from the concerned department. That would be advisable.
No.
There are ministers here.
Yes, sir.
They are representing their departments.
Speaker, sir.
Let Mr. Kamath speak.
Can I bring it to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister? You can, I don't have the business, you can go through the business rules. Business rules are very clear that when more than, supposing, now I have asked a question. How many government employees have applied for the extension? Or how many employees have been given extension on contract basis? Now, when I ask this question to the personnel department, as the Chief Minister is holding that portfolio, the personnel department is supposed to know about all the employees of the government. I don't have to rush to tourism department. I don't have to go to PWD department. They could get the information from other departments and give a reply. I don't know why the officers are hesitating and they are saying that as far as the wordings used are as far as personal department is concerned, as far as GAD is concerned, that should not be.
Honorable memberचे भावना कळतात. But he has been chief minister also. Personal department does not appoint any staff on contract basis, or personal department does not issue NOC for appointment of staff on contract basis. Contract basis ज्या डिपार्टमेंटाक काही कारणांक लागून मनशाची गरज आसा, they appoint on contract basis. It personal department ताका NOC दिना.
For that also they have to go to the cabinet. For that also they have to go to the cabinet. You don't have to go to the cabinet. Any appointment on contract basis has to be approved by the cabinet. I'm sure Chief Minister must be aware that it has to go to the cabinet.
Speaker sir,
कॅबिनेटाक निश्चित येता. कॅबिनेटाक निश्चित येता.
Speaker sir, I would like to draw your attention.
I-
Speaker sir, I would
Listen.
like to, just a second, I would like to draw your attention. It is not a question of putting the government on the mat or anything, but this forum, we, as you have always mentioned, is to have transparent and detailed discussion. Honorable Digambar Kamath was the Chief Minister when NOC is not to be given, all that was passed. But we would like to bring to your notice, we are identifying and directing the question to the government of Goa. It is the duty of the personal department to provide this information and for the Chief Minister to get us all this information and give it to us. Salary is paid by the government of Goa. Personal department has to ensure this information is provided. Otherwise, this is a farce. We need not ask any questions. Contractor जे staff घेतला and Goa Contract Labour Society ची परिस्थिती पळयल्या आम्ही.
Question has आशिल्लो on star 93. Same similar question was asked where personal department total recruitment, salary paid, बाकीचे विचारिल्ले. It has been disallowed. If questions are not getting replies related to this, what is the use of these questions?
बस हांव
Personal does not want to answer anything.
That was disallowed. ह्या सगळ्या इशूचेर हांव इतलेंच सांगता. I will call the meeting of the secretaries, principal secretary or chief secretary, along with the honorable chief minister also, and try to sort out this issue.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
आमकां मेळनात ते ह्या दिसांनी मेळना लागले हांव तुमच्या मनान काल आयला आनी मागीर म्हाका मेळ्ळा दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट दे शूड आन्सर इन टायम
सगळ्यांक आन्सर्स मेळिल्ले आसात.
ना म्हाका मेळूंक नाशिल्ले हांव आयिल्लो न्ही तुमच्या मनान
ही आन्सर्स मेळूंक ना हाचो अर्थच असो आसा की तो क्वेश्चन अलाव जावंक
ना एलाव जालो मागीर मेळ्ळी म्हाका तुमचे कडेन येतकर मेळ्ळी म्हाका दिस इज अ व्हेरी पेक्युलियर थिंग
Answer to my question is the most callous question, reply. Most callous reply. That matter is referred to the Public Accounts Committee.
No, I am looking into it.
How can we take decisions for the executive?
It cannot be
If we are supposed to take decisions for you, but there is no provision for Public Accounts Committee if there are any Accountant General raise any questions in chapter. It has to be answered to the by the public to the public accounts.
क्वेश्चन आवर कडेन या. पयलो क्वेश्चन सिन्नरेश सावळ.
Speaker sir, I may be permitted to ask allocution number 1A.
1A. विचारा.
Speaker sir, my question was pertaining to
Call the question. Question call कर मरे.
You have been
सांगले न्ही,
permitted
1A, one-
to you have been permitted to ask. Now you ask the question.
question 1A.
स्पीकर सर,
सांगले मरे हांवें, 1A म्हणून.
बजेट सेशन मातशें खूब काळान जाता त्यामुळे मातशें आमी विसरल्यान काही गजाली. Answer as per computer.
Speaker sir, हांवें विचारलेलो क्वेश्चन गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंटाचेर. आत्तां ज्या विशयाचेर डिस्कशन जालें तोच विशय तो आनी हे इतले आन्सर म्हाका फनी दिल्ले आसा की हांवें विचारिल्लें मार्च 2014 ते आयज पर्यंत कितले लोक रिटायर्ड जाले आनी कितल्या एजीचेर जाले आनी कितल्या लोकांक एक्सटेंशन दिलें. फक्त एकटो श्री जोज एलन डिसा 61 इयर्स म्हणजे एकटो जालो म्हणजे एका वर्साक एकटोच रिटायर्ड जालो आनी एकट्याकच एक्सटेंशन दिलें.
स्पीकर सर, हो वदळचोच मुद्दो परत आयला. पर्सनल डिपार्टमेंट हे काही केडर्स कंट्रोल करता. These cadres are IAS services, IFS, IPS, मागीर गोवा सिव्हिल सर्विसीस, गोवा पुलीस सर्विसीस, मागीर केडर ऑफ मामलतदार, जॉयंट मामलतदार, असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ सिव्हिल सप्लायज, केडर ऑफ BDO आणि ऑफिस सुपरिटेंडंट्स. हे केडर्स हे पर्सनल डिपार्टमेंट कंट्रोल करता आणि त्यामुळे पर्सनल डिपार्टमेंटाक जेन्ना क्वेश्चन विचारलो वता तेन्ना आमी ह्या केडराक लिमिटेड रिप्लाय दिल्ले आसा. आमी हेच्या पलीकडे कंट्रोल करनात. हाच्या पलीकडच्यो गोष्टी आसात त्यो संबंदीत खात्याच्या मंत्र्यांक विचारूंक जाय, संबंदीत खात्यांक विचारूंक जाय. हाच्या संदर्भात हांवें आन्सर्स दिल्ले आसा आणि त्यामुळे इतल्या केडरांत जेन्ना क्वेश्चन the question is specifically for minister for personnel आणि त्यामुळे total number of government servants retired from March 2014 till date असो जेन्ना क्वेश्चन विचारलो तेन्ना म्हज्या कंट्रोला सकल जे केडर आसात तातूंतले 24 नंबर ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट्स रिटायर्ड फ्रॉम March 14 till date अशें रिप्लाय दिल्ले आसा. म्हाका दिसता ते रिप्लाय सभागृहान एक्सेप्ट करूंक जाय. इट इज परफेक्ट रिप्लाय बिकॉज आय एम आन्सरींग एज मिनिस्टर फॉर पर्सनल. क्वेश्चन हॅज बीन आस्क्ड टू मिनिस्टर फॉर पर्सनल.
स्पीकर सर, बऱ्याच वेळा आम्ही चुकून समजा जर खंयच्या एखादे वेगळे डिपार्टमेंट घातले जाल्यार ते आपोआप तो क्वेश्चन स्टार करनासतना अनस्टार करता आणि दुसरे आन्सर दिता. पूण ह्या वेळाचेर तुमी समजा जर हे चुकीचे आसा, आमी जेन्ना पळय गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट्स म्हणून जेन्ना विचारता तेन्ना तुमी ते डायवर्ट करून तो तशें दिवपाचें उत्तर. मागीर हे चुकीचें दिता म्हणजे तुमी मिसगायड करता. हावजा अशें जालें न्ही.
स्पीकर सर, हांगा मिसगायडाचो प्रश्न ना. जो प्रश्न विचारला ताका प्रश्न पिन पॉइंटेड आसा, उत्तरूय परफेक्ट आसा.
स्पीकर सर, हो प्रश्न विचारलेलो मुख्यमंत्र्यांक विचारला. म्हणजे मुख्यमंत्र्यांची जबाबदारी ही की खरें आन्सर कित्याक दिवपाचें. आमच्या माहिती प्रमाणे जर कोणाक समजा जर दिल्या, म्हाका जी माहिती मेळ्ळ्या ती ड्रायव्हराकय तुमी एक्सटेन्शन दिला, क्लार्काकय तुमी एक्सटेन्शन दिला. हे कितपत योग्य आसा हें विचारपाक जाय म्हणून हो प्रश्न घातिल्लो आमी. पूण ते समजा जर आमकां उत्तर जर सारकें मेळना, जर तुम्ही ड्रायव्हराकय जर इतले आयज मायनिंगाक लागून इतले ड्रायव्हर बेकार पडल्या, कितले भुरगे शिकून ग्रॅज्युएट जाल्ले बेकार पडल्या, तांकां जॉब मेळनासतना जर क्लार्काकय जर तुम्ही समजा जर एक्सटेन्शन दिवपाक लागले आनी बाकीचे ऑफिसरय प्रमोशनाक ड्यू जाल्या, प्रमोशनाक उरल्या आनी ते थंयच दवरून समजा त्याच जर ऑफिसरांक परत 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 तुम्ही समजा जर परत जर एक्सटेन्शन दिवपाक लागले जाल्यार बाकीच्या ऑफिसरांनी म्हणून कितें करप ते वाजेल आतां तुमकां.
स्पीकर सर, ताच्यो हांव ऑनरेबल मेंबराच्यो भावना समजता. पूण ते म्हणटात तशी एक्सटेन्शनां ड्रायव्हरांक बीन दिल्ली ना. लेट मी फिनीश. कोणेंय एक्सटेंड केलो आसा जाल्यार इट इज नॉट एक्सटेन्शन, इट इज अपॉइंटमेंट ऑन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसीस. असले काही आसूं शकतात. कोणें स्पेसिफिकली खंय तरी रिक्वेस्ट आयलो जाल्यार आनी जेन्युननेस पळोवन. पूण सरसकट अशी एक्सटेन्शनां दिल्ली ना. हे हांव मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून उलयतां हाच्या परिघाच्या भायर वचून. पण हांवें हांगा जें उत्तर दिल्लें आसा, इट इज, तुमी क्वेश्चन पळयात, वील द मिनिस्टर फॉर पर्सनल बी प्लीज टू स्टेट. तशें जर जाल्यार हांवें सगळ्या खात्यांचे पिवना पासून डायरेक्टरा पर्यंतचे सगळे प्रश्न हांवेंच आन्सर करचे पडले. प्लीज मातशें ट्राय टू डिफरन्शिएट. आय एम स्पीकिंग हियर, आय एम आन्सरींग हियर एज मिनिस्टर फॉर पर्सनल. पूण ताणें जो पलीकडचो विचारलो त्यामुळे हांवें CM म्हणूनय हांव आन्सर करतां. अशें सर्रास दिल्लें ना. यो
मी रोहन खवटे.
स्पीकर सर, पिन पॉइंटेडच क्वेश्चन विचारता. अनस्टार LAQ नंबर 76 गिवन बाय डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत 5 ऑगस्टाची सेशनान.
तुम्ही या प्रश्नाचेर
येता येता उलोवंक तरी दियात. आय एम नॅरेटिंग दीस. एलन डिसाय एक नाव दिलें. There is one more name of Maheshwar Mardolkar, BDO Salsate 2, given extension